Hello friends, welcome to Gcentric. So in this lecture what we will see is the problems based on the infinite resistance ladder. So if you have seen these types of problem in GATE exams, they have come. Okay, so we will try to understand how to solve this, what is the hint and what type of symmetricity we need to find. Okay, so if you observe this 8th problem, so they have asked to calculate the R equivalent at these 2 points. So now if you see this 1 ohm resistors, they are connected in either shunt and series, shunt, series, shunt and series, and this pattern continues. Okay, so now you have seen the symmetry. So if it is here shunt and series, again this pattern only repeats here also, that is shunt and series. So this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is also 1 ohm, 1 ohm, the resistance values are also same. If they were different, then you couldn't have calculated the R equivalent, that would be different method. Okay, so now what we will do is, if you observe from here R equivalent, you will find shunt series. Similarly, if you stand here and observe, again you will find shunt and series pattern. Okay, so in this type of cases, if I ignore this branch, so this is infinity, so in infinity if I minus this branch and start observing from this way, okay, what I will find is again shunt and series. So if I minus this branch, if I leave out this branch, infinity minus 1 is nothing but again infinity. So neglecting this branch does not affect the calculation of the equivalent resistance. So what we will do, we will take R equivalent here. So what we can redraw this circuit as, so this is 1 ohm, this is also 1 ohm, here also it is 1 ohm, and this whole circuit, what we can do is, we can replace it with R equivalent. Okay, so here we have to find R equivalent. Now what will happen, we can, this and this are in series, so it is 1 plus R equivalent, and this 1 plus R equivalent is in parallel with 1. Okay, so what we can do, 1 plus R equivalent upon 2, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus R equivalent. Okay, so this is nothing but the value of R equivalent. So now we need to rearrange these terms, we can solve this quadratic, we will get a quadratic equation. So what it is, nothing but R equivalent square plus 2 in times of R equivalent, cross multiplying it, so 1 plus R equivalent. So this, if we take over the other side, we will get R square equivalent plus R minus 1, which is equal to 0. So using the quadratic equation, it is nothing but R equivalent is equal to, what is the quadratic equation formula to find the roots? It is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so here minus b, it's nothing but minus 1 coefficient of R equivalent, then plus minus square root of b square, so b square is minus 1 the whole square 1 minus 4ac, so you will get plus 4 upon 2. So for the resistance, it is always the positive value, so we will leave the negative value, we will ignore the negative. So R equivalent is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this is the answer for the solution. So answer for this problem 8. So coming to this question number 9, here also they have asked us to find the R equivalent, and they have asked us to find the relation between this R equivalent of A and R equivalent of B. We need to find the relation between these two. So now if you have to solve individually for each of the circuit, finding RA and finding RB, then finding the relation, it will take time. That is because we will get the quadratic equations. So instead of that, now if you observe this carefully, both of the circuits, you can see RA in RB, it is 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. Here also it is 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. So this circuit can be replaced with RA. So I can redraw this whole of this part is nothing but RA. If I redraw the circuit, what will I get? So this is nothing but 1 ohm as it is, and here it is RB, and this whole circuit is replaced with RA. Okay, so seeing the question you should not be afraid, just find the symmetricity in the circuits, both the circuits. Definitely there will be some clue given. The GATE exam only tests your time, okay, and your knowledge to crack this question, okay. So this is RA, then again what is this? This is in parallel. So RB is nothing but 1 ohm parallel with RA. So when 1 ohm is parallel with RA, you will get 1 plus RA, okay, sorry, RA by 1 plus RA. So this is the equivalent resistance and the relation of the RB and RA, and the option is D. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Okay, moving on to the next question, that is our 10th problem. So again we need to find the R equivalent. So now if you observe this, here we have one odd term, that is 2R, but leaving this 2R, rest of the term is same, R, which is connected in shunt and series. Okay, shunt and series. So what we can do, we can ignore this term and we can start observing R equivalent from here. Okay, so because minusing one of the branches or two branches from the infinity does not affect the calculation of the problem. Okay, so they have asked us to find R equivalent over R. Okay, so this is something different. So most of them after solving the equation, they will ignore this R and the option will be wrong answer will be given in the option. So now we will redraw this circuit. So we will get, this is 2R, this is R, and here R, and this is replaced with R equivalent. Okay, so this R equivalent and this R, they are in series. So we will get R equivalent plus R equivalent plus R, and this is again in parallel with R. So solve this, we will get R into R equivalent, okay, into plus R square divided by 2R plus R equivalent. Okay, so this completes this part. Now this is again in series with 2R. So it is nothing but 2R plus this side, it is R equivalent. So on solving this again, on rearranging the terms, what we will get, the answer, I will write it down here. So you will get it as, so after that you have to take R common and divide it by R equivalent. So what is the answer you get is minus 1 plus square root of 21 over 2. So this is the answer for this quadratic equation. So okay, so you will have to take the LCM, then cross multiply. Okay, so after solving the equivalent, take R common and divide it with respect to R equivalent, we will get this answer. Okay, so we will move on to this 11th question, which was asked in the GATE 2017. So in the electrical branch. So what it says, again it says to calculate the R equivalent, that is over here, A and B, but this is not the infinite ladder type. What they have given, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors, but we cannot do the Wheatstone bridge. Okay, now if you observe this one, this point and this point, they have got the same potential, there is no element connected in between them. So if I take this as A, so this will be also A. So this, both the potential of the nodes will be same. So what I can do is, now this resistor, okay, these two branches are not connected, so this is not the interconnector, it is just passing over the this resistor, 6 ohm resistor, they are not connected. So what I can do, this node I can connect it with this point, and this point I can connect it with this point. Okay, so if I redraw this circuit, this is 1 ohm, this is 3 ohm, and this is nothing but 6 ohm. Okay, so again here it is 2 ohms, this is 6 ohm, and this is 3 ohm. Here it is, what we can write it, 1 plus 1, that is 2 ohms. Okay, so now these two are in parallel, these two are in parallel. So 6 into 3 is 18, 18 over 9 is, so this I can replace it with 2 ohm. Okay, so again these two are in parallel, so 2 into 2 is 4, 4 upon 2 plus 2 is again 1 ohm. So this is nothing but 1 ohm. Now these two are in series, so I can replace it with 3 ohms. So this value is 3 ohm. So again these two are in parallel, so 6 into 3 is 18, 18 over 9 is 2 ohms. So this is 2 ohm. Okay, so these two are in parallel, so 2 into 3 is 6, 6 upon 5, and 6 upon 5 is in series with 1 ohm, so it is nothing but 11 over 5 ohms. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Next, so is it correct? 3 ohms? Yeah, 2 ohm. Okay. Now this completes the equivalent infinite resistance problem. So in the next lecture we will take based on equivalent RL and C problems. Okay. Thank you.